Hi, my name is Chris from the Draft Beer Initiative, and today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to create a DVD mockup for your DVD products using my DVD Mockup Generator action set and templates. So, alright, so let's start here. After you have extracted the package which you have downloaded from Graphic River, you would have this directory structure. We would have the actions folder, help, preview, PSTs, and thumbnail. Okay, so the first thing we need to do here is that we need to import the action set over to Photoshop. And as you can see on your screen right now, I'm using Adobe Photoshop CS3, but the action set and templates should work perfectly with CS4. Alright, so let's go ahead and import the action set, and it's located in the actions folder of our package. And now we have this file, and let's drag it over to Photoshop. Okay, so now we have 4 actions on our actions palette here. We have the Create DVD Mockup 1, Create DVD Mockup 2, Create DVD Mockup 3, and then the Reset action. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is that we need to open up a template, and it's located in the PSTs folder. And as you can see here, we have 3 PSD templates. We have the DVD Mockup 1 template, and DVD Mockup 2 template, and DVD Mockup 3 template. So we have 3 variations here. We have 3 variations of mockups that we can create using this package. So now, as you can see, we do have 3 templates here, and each template has a corresponding action that you can use to generate a mockup. For example, if we want to use the DVD Mockup 1 template, we have to run the Create DVD Mockup 1 action. So that's what we're going to do right now. Let's drag this over to Photoshop. Okay. Now, before we run our action, let me just give you a quick overview on the structure of the PSD. So this is more or less how the PSD is organized. As you can see, there are layer sets here that has a red color coding and a green color coding. The layer sets that has the red color coding contains graphics or graphical elements that you don't need to modify. Okay, although you can modify them if you want to do further customizations, but you're not really required to customize them or modify them. I have hidden them on purpose so that it won't be bothering you while you are, designing your cover or the label. Okay, so here what we have here on the screen is the case cover, and you can put your elements, graphical elements, or your design elements into this folder. I have added 2 sub layer sets here inside the case cover, but they don't really need to be there, but I have added them for your convenience. And you can put all of your text elements into this folder, and all the graphical or image elements here. Okay, you can put as many design elements or graphical elements into your case cover or your disc label. As you can see here, you can put as many design elements into your case cover, as I mentioned, or your label, as long as you put them into the case cover folder or the cover design folder. I have also color coded green the folder so that you would know where to put all of your design elements. Okay, right now we won't be doing any customization, so let's just go ahead and run our actions. As I have mentioned earlier, since we are using the DVD Mockup 1 template, we had to run the create DVD Mockup 1 action. Okay, so that's what we're going to do right now. Let's click on play. So we have the first thing that pops up would be this dialogue. Nothing to worry about really. It's just basically reminding you that you have to save your template before you run the action, just in case something goes wrong. Although that's highly well, it's unlikely that something will go wrong, but you know, things happen. So just to be safe, you have to save your template before you run the action. Okay, so now since we didn't do any customization, we can just go ahead and click on continue for this, and it's in the process of creating the mockup right now. Alright, so now we have two documents open in Photoshop. We have the template, okay, which remains intact. So the action didn't do any modifications to the template. It's still the same template that we had earlier. So the mockup that was generated in running the action was put into a separate PSD or document. So right now we have this, and as you can see here, everything are still organized in layer sets, so you can still do further modifications even after the mockup was created. Okay, so now this mockup is ready, so you can just go ahead and save it as a PNG file or PSD or whatever format you prefer. Alright, so we're not going to save this. I'm just going to demonstrate to you you know, running the create DVD mockup 2 action using the DVD mockup 2 template, of course. Alright, so as you can see here, the layers are still organized you know, the same as, you know, the other template was organized. This is for your convenience, so that you know, everything would be consistent. So now, since we opened up DVD Mockup 2 template, we're going to run the create DVD Mockup 2 action. All right. Okay, so it's that easy to generate a DVD mockup, and it only took us a few seconds to generate this mockup. Alright, so now you might be wondering what this reset action is for. Now, if in case you have well, as you can see here, the layers are well organized and it was intact. Even after we generated a mockup, it didn't do anything to our template, but you know, things happened, and for example, we have mistakenly ran create DVD mockup 3 on our DVD mockup 2 template. So let's see if we get some errors. Okay, now as you can see, since our layers have the same organization or structures, or our templates have the same PSD structure, even though we ran the incorrect mockup, or I mean the action, it still runs, but it doesn't yield the correct result. So that's okay. Now let's try to run the other action. Okay, so as you can see, it yields the incorrect result, but it still runs. But there are cases that, you know, the action would stop. Okay, let's just create some sort of a okay. Now, for example, we ran the script and something goes wrong, and for some reasons it just stops. All right. Okay. Now, as you can see here on our template, we have this mockup layer set. It's not supposed to be here. Okay. So what we can do, since our template is now messed up due to the action stopping in the middle, what we can do is that we can run the reset action so that it just, you know, cleans up the template again and it's back to its original structure. Alright, so that's basically it. That's how easy and fast to create a DVD mockup for your DVD products using my DVD mockup generator, action set, and templates. Thank you.